Hi friends, today I will let you know how to add the department in eSSL software. So चलिए चलते हैं बिना देरी किए हुए. Let me open the eSSL software, e-time track lite version 10 eSSL password. Okay, so we have logged in into eSSL software. Let's click on add master and department. Here is the department. We have already created the some departments, so for the testing purpose I will let you know one more add the department in the eSSL software. So चलिए चलते हैं. Department name like any departments, IT1, IT1, description, information technology, if you edit as per your requirement. Okay, let's add. Okay, so we have added the department in eSSL software. This is the process we can add, and this will help us to when you add the user in eSSL software, so you requirement the department list in the eSSL software. So thank you so much for watching the video. Have a good day.